First up is Scene 1. Most people think making your first $100 online in 2026 is hard. They think you need years of experience, coding skills, or a huge social media following. But what if I told you that you can do it this week using only 3 completely free AI tools? Next is Scene 2. In this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint. No gatekeeping. I'll show you how to find high-demand gigs on Fiverr and Upwork, and how to execute them flawlessly in less than 10 minutes per client. Let's get right into it. Another useful tool is Scene 3. First, let's find the demand. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. We aren't competing for complex programming or high-end design. We are looking for simple micro gigs that businesses need every single day, writing high-converting social media scripts, generating voiceovers, or designing clean social graphics. Let me show you how we fulfill these with zero budget. Now look at Scene 4. Tool number 1 is Claude or ChatGPT for scripting. If a client pays you $15 to write an ad script, don't write it from scratch. Use this prompt, act as an expert copywriter. Write a high-retention 30-second TikTok ad script for a fitness coaching brand using a hook problem-solution structure. Within 5 seconds, you have a professional script ready to go. You can also use Scene 5. Next, we need to turn that script into a voiceover. This is where ElevenLabs comes in. Copy your script, paste it here, choose a highly professional voice, and hit generate. This sounds exactly like a human voice actor, and it just saved your client hundreds of dollars. For creators, Scene 6 is useful because finally, clients always need visual assets to go with their content. Instead of struggling with Photoshop, open Ideogram 2.0. Ask it to design a modern social media graphic for the brand. Because Ideogram handles text rendering beautifully, you get a clean, client-ready design in seconds. First up is Scene 7. Here is the pro workflow secret. When you deliver your work on Fiverr or Upwork, don't just send the raw files. Package them professionally in a clean folder. When clients see how fast and professional you are, they don't just leave a 5-star review, they subscribe to your service monthly. Next is Scene 8. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, let me know in the comments below. Don't let beginner burnout stop you. The tools are free and the demand is there. Go try this today, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly AI and digital income strategies. I'll see you in the next one.